Hi there, today we're going to talk about the drive lever and why it really is a revolution in Powershift tractors. Valtra Verso is the only Powershift tractor in the world which works with drive lever mode. In other words, if you want to drive faster, you don't need to change gear. All you need to do is push the lever forward and the tractor speeds up, changing gear automatically as the tractor accelerates. Similarly, in reverse or in slowing down, all you have to do is pull the lever backwards and the tractor automatically changes down gears. This is a brand new concept and only available with Valtra Verso tractors. Another fantastic feature is that you can have automatic range changes from B to C and then between C and D ranges. To set that up, all you have to do is go into the transmissions menu here, and here on the left hand side we have BC, just press that, and BC shifting is automatic. To have automatic range changes between C and D, press this button here and you automatically go into automatic gear changes. Another feature we have on these tractors is auto traction. That is where the tractor automatically stops, comes to a standstill by pressing only the brake pedal. No need for the clutch pedal. To access this feature, simply press the settings on the transmission page. We have this little pop-up here, press here, and here we have these two symbols at the bottom. When it's green, it is on, auto traction is on. To turn it off, press that, and now the tractor works like a normal, traditional tractor where you need the clutch pedal to stop. This is great for sometimes doing loader work or similar jobs. If you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is press that. It's really that simple. Another fantastic feature we have on Valtra Verso models is the engine braking feature. To access this feature, simply press the engine settings on the menu, and here at the bottom we have a slider, 1 to 5. 1 is the least aggressive, 5 most aggressive. To change the settings, simply press whatever aggressiveness you want, and it works that easily. One feature which at Valtra we're particularly proud about is our HillHold feature. This is available in Powershift models, and it means that when you want to start off in an uphill direction, the tractor will not roll back at all before you start moving forward. To engage HillHold, simply put your foot on the brake, put the tractor into park. While keeping your foot on the brake, select whichever direction you want to move off in with the power shuttle, then you can release the brake. The tractor will not move off until you press the accelerator pedal, at which point the tractor will move off smoothly with no rolling back. It really is that simple.
Valtra, your working machine.